Box for the Compression Institute. So I'm going to assume that you already have registered for a Box account. If you have trouble with that, you can send me an email or give me a call. I'm going to enter my username. Looks like I'm already in there. And my password. First thing I want to point out is that what you'll see are folders that have been shared with you by other users or folders that you have created yourself. So I'm going to assume you don't have any folders, so I have shared with JP McVeigh 23 the test folder editor and test folder viewer. Let's first go into test folder viewer. As you can assume, the name test folder viewer means I can't do anything but view files in here. You'll notice up here where my cursor is, upload says you do not have permission to upload to this folder, and I don't have permission to create new items in this folder. I'll show you those different menus when we get to the editor folder, but for now I can only view things, and I can also make comments. There's already a comment here, this little comment bubble. I can go in and I hit the plus sign. There you go. And I can see that's I already made a comment. Test comments for CI doc. Well, I can also add another comment, another test comment. And this allows people to have discussions back and forth about this particular document. I like this feature. There's another way that we can communicate with each other on a particular topic, not specific to a document. That's under this Discussions tab. And again, you can do this as a viewer. You don't have to have more permissions than a viewer to do this. There's a couple discussions I already put on here, test discussions, where you can add comments to one and hit add comment, or I can go ahead and create my own discussion. Pretty creative discussion topic. Hit create, and now I can go ahead and add my own comment here. So the idea is we can have discussions going back and forth in a particular topic area, or if you want to comment specifically about a particular item within a folder, a document, you can do that as well. That's one of the things I liked about this. So let's move on. I'm going to go under All Files, and we're going to go into the Test Folder Editor. This will give us a chance to take a quick look at this Upload menu, which allows me to upload files or upload files in bulk. I'm just going to simply do upload a single file. And I'm just going to grab a file here, the box text version. I can click on this and hit open, or I can also drag it into the folder. So I dragged it in there, and now if I click on it, I can preview it, and I can also add a description here. This is yet another way to communicate. So having a description of the actual document allows somebody to get kind of an overview before they have to open the document. So and then people can comment back and forth just as you would expect. Notice that there's a little button here for tasks. I'll cover that in a different tutorial, but you can assign tasks. I'll just give you a quick preview. We could go ahead and send a task to somebody to review this document, approve it or reject it, give them instructions and set a due date. So that's a nice feature for reviewing documents. There's also version control, which I'll cover in a later tutorial as well. So let's go back to the test folder editor. Let's show you real quick. We can create new folders. And we also have the ability to create web documents, Google Documents, and Google Spreadsheets. I'm going to stop there and leave those for an advanced tutorial. That should be enough to get you started. If you have any questions, let me know.